Saving money on a low income. Here's how. Struggling to save money on a low income? You're not alone. Many think saving is only for high earners, but that's not true. In this video, I'll share practical money-saving tips for low-income earners. Financial stability is within your reach. Track every dollar, budgeting 101. Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to take control of your finances. In this chapter, we'll dive deep into the art of budgeting, a crucial skill that can transform your financial life. The first step to saving more money is understanding where your money goes. This means taking a close look at your spending habits. Gather all your receipts, bills, and bank statements. Lay them out in front of you and start categorizing your expenses. This might seem tedious, but it's a necessary step to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Create a budget to know exactly how much you're spending and where. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to help you organize your expenses. A budget isn't just a list of numbers, it's a plan that reflects your priorities and goals. By setting limits on different categories, you can ensure that you're not overspending in any area. Think of a budget as a roadmap for your money, guiding you towards your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or retirement, a budget helps you allocate your resources effectively. It provides a clear path to follow, making it easier to stay on track and avoid unnecessary detours. Track your expenses for a month using a pen and paper or a budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital. These tools can automatically categorize your spending, making it easier to see where your money is going. By tracking every dollar, you'll be able to identify patterns and make informed decisions about your spending. Analyze your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Look for non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. For example, if you notice that you're spending a lot on dining out, consider cooking more meals at home. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. For example, if you spend $300 a month on eating out, try cutting it to $150 and invest the difference. This simple adjustment can free up money for other financial goals, such as building an emergency fund or paying off debt. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. The goal isn't to deprive yourself, but to be mindful of your spending habits. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and priorities. By being intentional with your money, you can enjoy the things that matter most to you without feeling guilty or stressed about your finances. Budgeting is essential for anyone looking to save money, regardless of income. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a retiree, having a budget can help you manage your money more effectively. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your financial future and make informed decisions. By tracking your expenses and creating a budget, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Celebrate your progress along the way. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed and you'll reap the rewards. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Consistency is key. Keep tracking, keep adjusting, and keep moving forward. Your financial future is in your hands, and with a solid budget, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Cancel these immediately. Easy money. Unused subscriptions and memberships can add up over time. Go through your bank statements and identify any recurring charges you can cancel. Evaluate each subscription. Are you using it enough to justify the cost? If not, cancel it. Consider cheaper alternatives or sharing subscriptions with friends or family. Cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions can free up extra cash each month. Every dollar counts, and this is a quick way to boost your savings. Put the saved money towards your financial goals. Cooking at home is key. Save money, eat healthy. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money on food. When you eat out, you're paying for more than just the food. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients, portion sizes, and costs. It's usually healthier than eating out, avoiding added salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Meal prep on weekends to save time and money during the week. Plan your meals, and make a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Building an emergency fund is crucial for everyone, regardless of income. An emergency fund is a stash of cash for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start with a small, achievable goal and gradually increase it over time. Boost your savings by selling unwanted items or picking up a side hustle. Keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday checking account. A high-yield savings account is a great option for your emergency fund. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial security. One of the best ways to achieve your financial goals faster is to increase your income. While saving money and budgeting are important, they can only take you so far. To truly accelerate your path to financial freedom, you need to find ways to bring in more cash. This is where side hustles come into play. Side hustles are flexible, part-time gigs you can do in your spare time to earn extra money. They offer the freedom to work on your own terms and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Whether you have a few hours a week or more time to dedicate, there's a side hustle out there for you. There are endless possibilities, many of which can be done online. From freelance writing and graphic design to tutoring and virtual assistance, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities. You can work from the comfort of your home, set your own hours, and choose projects that interest you. Find something you enjoy, and that fits into your schedule. The key to a successful side hustle is to choose something that aligns with your skills and interests. This way, it won't feel like a burden, and you'll be more motivated to stick with it. Take some time to explore different options and see what resonates with you. Examples include freelance writing, driving for Uber, or offering virtual assistant services. If you have a knack for writing, consider starting a blog or offering your services on freelance platforms. If you enjoy driving, sign up with a ride-sharing service. If you're organized and good with administrative tasks, virtual assistants could be a great fit. A side hustle should be something you look forward to, not a chore. It should bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Remember, the goal is to enhance your financial situation while doing something you love. This positive mindset will help you stay committed and make the experience more rewarding. Use the extra money to boost your savings, pay down debt, or invest. The additional income from your side hustle can make a significant impact on your financial health. You can build an emergency fund, pay off high-interest loans, or invest in stocks and mutual funds to grow your wealth over time. Increasing your income through side hustles can help you reach your financial goals faster. By diversifying your income streams, you create more financial stability and open up new opportunities for growth. So start exploring side hustle ideas today and take the first step towards a richer, more fulfilling life. Buying used or secondhand items can save you a ton of money. It's a fantastic way to stretch your budget further and get more for less. Many people are unaware of the incredible savings they can achieve by opting for pre-owned goods. Whether you're looking for clothes, furniture, electronics, or even books, the secondhand market has something for everyone. When you buy new, items lose value immediately. The moment you walk out of the store, that brand new item starts to depreciate. This is especially true for things like cars, electronics, and even some home goods. By the time you've used it a few times, it's worth significantly less than what you paid for it. Buying used lets you snag a bargain. You can find high-quality items at a fraction of the original price. It's like a treasure hunt, where you never know what amazing deals you might come across. Plus, it's a great way to find unique and vintage items that you wouldn't find in regular stores. Find great deals on used items online or in thrift stores. The internet has made it easier than ever to find secondhand goods. Websites and apps dedicated to buying and selling used items have a vast selection, and you can often filter your search to find exactly what you need. Websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and OfferUp are treasure troves of gently used items. These platforms allow you to connect with sellers in your area, making it convenient to pick up your purchases. You can find everything from furniture and appliances to clothing and toys. Thrift stores offer amazing deals on clothing, home goods, and books. These stores often have a constantly changing inventory, so there's always something new to discover. Plus, shopping at thrift stores supports local charities and reduces waste by giving items a second life. Certain items like mattresses and helmets should always be bought new for safety reasons. These items have a limited lifespan and can degrade over time, making them less effective at protecting you. It's worth spending the extra money to ensure your safety and well-being. For most other things, buying used is a smart way to save money. From furniture to electronics, you can find high-quality items that have plenty of life left in them. Just be sure to inspect items carefully and, if possible, test them out before making a purchase. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money. By making thoughtful purchasing decisions, you can save a significant amount of money over time. This allows you to allocate your resources to other important areas of your life, such as savings, investments, or experiences that bring you joy. Having clear financial goals is essential for managing your money effectively. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel lost with your finances. Think about what you want to achieve financially and write down your goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, saving $10,000 for a down payment in 2 years means saving just over $400 per month. Specific and measurable goals help you stay motivated and on track. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Managing your money is a journey, and clear goals will guide you to financial success. So there you have it, 7 smart money-saving tips for low-income earners. Start by implementing 1 or 2 tips today, and you'll see progress over time. Share your favorite money-saving tips in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips.